Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a St. Patrick's Day Pikachu Pokeball Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our St. Patrick's Day Pikachu Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to go ahead and line up the corners like this and give it a nice fold down the middle. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fold this in half one more time. Line up the corners, and that way it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now, when I open it up, I've got these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And then I like to turn my picture this way, and that way I can really make a nice picture and I can pull it down to open up my surprise fold. Now, to start off with this, let's begin by making a big sad face for the top of the Pokeball. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a nice big sad face shape right here. And then right here, I'm going to make a nice big smiley face shape for the bottom of our Pokeball. Right here in the middle, I'll make a small sad face. And then underneath, I'll make a small happy face. Right here, I'm going to draw a line across. Then I'm going to jump over and draw that same line right over here. Then I'll make a sad face like this. Then we're going to make another line across. And one more over here. Then I'll make a smiley face right here. Now, at the top of this, I'm going to draw a little clover. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up, it's going to go down, and then back up like this. Then I'll make another one here. We're going to go out, kind of in and out, and then back up. Same thing here. I'm going to go out, I'm going to go in and out, and then back up. And then I'm just going to connect these lines. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down, over, and then up. Now, once we have that, we're going to open this up and draw the inside of our Pokeball. Once we have it opened up, we're going to start by finishing off the top and bottom of our Pokeball. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line down on each side. And then I'm going to draw a nice straight line across. Then I'm going to go ahead and connect these lines down as well. I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to bring this line up on each side. Then I'm going to bring this line across. Then I'll bring this line up on each side. Now inside of here, we're going to draw our St. Patrick's Day Pikachu. So let's begin by drawing the hat. So I'm going to start by making a nice long line across here. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then in. And then the same thing here. I'm going to come down and then in. Right here, let's make a line that's going to come out. We're going to curve it around, and I'll bring it over to here. Then I'm going to make a line that comes up on each side. Then I will connect this with another little curve. And then right up here, we're going to make the top of the hat. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over, and then down. Now let's make the ears. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up to a point and then down. Then I'll do the same thing over here. We're going to come up to a point and then bring it down. Now right across here, I'm going to draw a little curved line. And then I'll make two lines that come down for like the little buckle. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little circle shape in the middle. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. We're going to go down and then up for like a big bow tie. Same thing here. We're going to go out. We're going to come down and then back up to here. Now, let's make the face of Pikachu. I'm going to start here by making a circle for an eye. I'm going to leave some space, and I'll make another circle for an eye right over here. And then I'm going to make a small circle at the top of each one, and then I'll just color in the rest of the eye. That way it looks like a little reflection. For the nose, I'm going to make just kind of like a little oval shape that I'll color in. And then for the mouth, I'm going to make two little curvy lines like this. Next, we're going to make lines going to come down and up with a little sad face for the tongue. Right here, I'm going to make a circle for the cheek, and then another circle for the cheek right over here. And then on the ears, let's just add a little curved line for the stripes. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes out on each side to start the arms. I'll make a small little zigzag shape on each side. And then I'm going to bring it right back into here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that curves down on each side for the body. And then right over here, I'm going to make the tail. So I'm going to start by making a line that goes up, and then down like this. We're going to draw a line that comes down and then up. Then we're going to go down and up and then down to here. Now for a little detail on the bow tie, I'm just going to draw two little lines right here. Now, after this, I want to add a couple little details around here. So I'm going to make a couple little shamrocks out here. So I'm just going to make a couple little lines like this, just go up, over, and down. And then I'm going to repeat these a couple more times on each side, and then one at the bottom too. Let's draw another one. We're just going to go up, over, and down. We'll do that same thing on each side. And I'll put one more up here, just another one of these little shamrock shapes. And then let's make a few little coins out here too. We'll just make a couple little oval shapes with a little curved line around here. Same thing here. Little oval shape and then a little curved line around at the bottom. And I'll do one more up here, a little oval shape with a curve around the bottom. And there you go. There is your St. Patrick's Day Pikachu Surprise Fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have our little Shamrock Pokeball. And then when we open it, we have our little St. Patrick's Day Pikachu inside. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.